If you landed on this video, you might be wondering how much YouTubers make with 20,000 subscribers. So sit back, relax, and we're gonna spill all the beans.
Yeah, but of course we have to say that 20,000 subscribers for our channel and how much money we make with our content, because there are other YouTubers who have this amount of subscribers and they might have a complete different revenue than we have.
First, we recommend you checking out our video, how much we made with 10,000 subscribers. That will give you a reference point about our mindset at the time and how much we were actually making. It might be different than what you expect when you double the subscriber count. So in this video, we're going to talk to you about what happened actually after the 10,000 subscribers and to now with 20,000 subscribers.
Now, before we show you the analytics, I want to tell you a little bit more about what actually happened after we made this video about 10,000 subscribers, because Libby and I were very motivated and we said, you know what, let's just pump out 2 videos a week. And we did a really good job. We went from Turkey to Malta, and then we went to Georgia. And in Georgia, if you are one of the YouTube subscribers who are following us since, last year, then for you it's probably, they just fall off the earth. Because we said, I don't want to do it right now. We
had a slump in April. We were making great content. Some of our best performing videos was before that. And when we got to Georgia, we just weren't in the right mindset and we just stopped. We completely stopped making videos. We weren't as active on social media, and we just needed to give ourselves a little bit of a rest period to get back into the flow of making YouTube videos. So we actually didn't upload until our video when we came to the United States was the life update video.
Yes.
There was nothing for, I think, around 2 months or so.
Regardless, in these 8 months where we doubled our subscriber counts, we didn't do any videos for 2 months, so that's pretty amazing. But the question is this actually good for your channel?
Yeah. I would say in our case, maybe not. I think in the end it did hurt us for taking that period of time off. Maybe YouTube didn't like that we weren't making videos, and then they were less likely to share our videos afterwards. And another thing I think, and maybe you can talk about it, is the shorts. We've been starting to make shorts, which are these 1-minute videos, they're vertical, and we thought this was going to be really great for our channel. But do you think it was?
How I personally feel about shorts, I have fun doing it because I know I can bring information straight to the point. I don't really look into the financial views of how much money bring me shorts, but I do know that if you are a very successful channel and you pump out 5-6 shorts a day, that can really bring up your revenue. But on a channel like us, the money doesn't really matter if it comes to shorts, but I do feel like that it could actually hurt our channel if we're looking into the analytics by getting more views.
Or more subscribers.
Yes,
too.
But getting less revenue. Now let's cut to the chase. Also, if you haven't watched the 10,000 subscriber video yet, I just tell you, we made $235 US with 10,000 subscribers. Now the question is, did we double our revenue by doubling our subscriber count, Libby? What do you think? What do you think?
No.
And this is the number that we make currently with over 20,000 subscribers.
As you can see, it is actually less money than we were making with 10,000 subscribers. I know it's a little disheartening maybe to you if you're watching this, but to us, YouTube is meant to be an outlet for us, for creativity, to share about field recording, and also to be the face of radio sounds.
Now, in conclusion, making less money on YouTube does not mean we make less money overall. Actually, our Amazon affiliate and our B&H affiliate went up. So we're making overall, just with YouTube and the affiliate, more money than what we made with 10,000 subscribers.
And we are so grateful whenever you click on those links because it does help our channel grow. So we really want to say thank you for watching this video up to this point and for supporting us in any way that you do, whether it's liking this, subscribing, or making comments. It really does help the channel out.
Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope to see you in our next video.
See you later.